Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change the theme on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. We have two ways to do so. The first one is by pressing and holding your finger on an empty space in the home screen, and then we will open this menu where we have themes, and then we can quickly switch to our theme that we wish to have. We can also tap personalize over here, or we can go to the settings, and then in the settings we need to go to personalize, and then over here we have themes. If you tap on themes, then here you will find the list of all themes that are available on your smartphone, and you can simply tap on the theme that you want to apply. And if you want to, you can also create your own theme by going to the top right corner. Over here you have this plus button, you can tap on it, there we go, and then you can select your default wallpaper. You can choose your font. We have some colors for the buttons, so let's say we can choose a green one, maybe, yeah, let's go with this one. And we can also select the icon shape, so let's set square for this one, whoops, and then let's go and save. Then we can set the name. If you set the name, tap OK, and then you can select your theme. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.